Hello friends, Noah here and welcome to this 14th Kilwa tutorial. Today we are talking about personal pronouns in Kiluba. Let's get started. We have two types of personal pronouns. We have subject and object. Let's start with subject. We have ne, which means I. We have u, which means you. U, which means he or she. Tu, which means we. Mu, which means you. And finally, ba, which means they. Let's review one more time. Na means I. U means you. U means he or she. Tu means we. Mu means you. Ba means they. Let's continue with the next set of pronouns. We have personal objects. The first one is amiwa, which means me. Abewa means you. I means him or her. Batwe means us. Banwe means you. Abo means them. Let's review one more time. Amiwa means me. Abewa, you. I, him or her. Batwe, us. Banwe, you. Abo, them. Thanks guys, that is for today and we'll continue in our next video. If you want to find some examples about these pronouns, please check out the verb to be in our previous tutorial and the other verbs. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and we'll see each other in the next video. Bye.